This is Matt, and this will be a short, straightforward video on how to change your search engine on Firefox. So I have the Firefox homepage open here. I've just got my kind of purple background with a few regularly visited sites right here. And you can see that we have this toolbar saying search with Google or enter address. So you see the Google symbol there. And then up in the top here, if I do any kind of searches in the top, we also have the Google symbol right there. So to change that search engine, to actually change your default search engine across Firefox, what we will do is we'll come up to the very top, and where it says Firefox, we're going to click on Firefox just to the left of File. We come down to Preferences, and once Preferences is open, we have the general settings here. So this is the main general settings for the whole of your Firefox browser. Now what we need to do, we need to come down to, so we've got General at the top, then we've got Home, and we have Search. We click on Search. Now the Search option right here in settings is open, and we have the default search engine at the top here. So as you can see, mine is set to Google, as I showed you earlier. If I hit the drop down, the options that we have are Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, eBay. For some reason, if you want to be like, I don't know, searching stuff all day or something. You've got Perplexity, which is an AI search, and you have Wikipedia if you want to have the main Wikipedia search for whatever reason on your browser. So if I change that to Bing, I can show you now. If I open up a new tab, you can see now I have the Bing symbol. It says search with Bing or enter an address. And then we have it up here as well, search with Bing or enter an address. We have the Bing symbol here. I can hit that drop down, and actually I can select my my search. So if I wanted Bing as my default search, but I wanted to search with Google one time, I can do that, and that will just be for that search. So when I click back, it's back to Bing. If you don't want Bing, let's show you Perplexity. We could have Perplexity. When I open that, you can see the Perplexity symbol there. We have search with Perplexity or enter an address, and the same up there. That is how you will change your default search engine on Firefox. Let's flick it back to Google. I'll show you it's back to Google again. Hopefully you found that video on how to change your default search engine and your search box on Firefox. If you found this video helpful, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.